Hindi pwede dalawa yung totoo. Hindi rin pwede dalawa ang nagsisinungaling. Malinaw po that General Mariano is lying.
Kasi ang sinasabi parang hindi kayo nagsinungaling eh. You did lie. Yun ang naging decision ng committee ito.
General Mariano was cited in contempt by the Honorable Tolpo, and I seconded it, and he ordered to be detained for 30 days in the premises of the House. First and foremost, during the interpellation to General Mariano, the data being presented by General Mariano contradicts with the position of the regional director. Now, sabi ko nga during the break, sabi ko nga doon kay ito question of the first issue that was raised na he never lied. He never refused to answer. Of course, he never refused to answer. But for us, the conclusion of the committee lied. General Mariano lied during that hearing. Kasi, tinanong ko pa nga eh, I am the one who asked, what is for the interest of RD, of the regional director, to lie? None. And when in fact, the video that was presented when RD and his office investigated Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, napakalinaw po na RD wants the truth to come out. Dinitalye niya pa, makita mo po. And RD has nothing to do with it. Now, iba yung version ni RD, iba yung version ni General Mariano with regards to the date and the time. Nung tinanong si General Mariano, hindi niya alam. Kaya hindi niya ni-report kay RD. But of course, etong si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, pinapunta doon sa quarter ni RD, ni General Mariano, napakalinaw po ang oras at saka yung purpose doon to brief and report to General Mariano about what really happens. Now, sabi ko nga during the break, the time because we wanted to have a quorum to decide on the contempt motion but hanged during the time. Now, sabi ko nga during the break, I talked to the members and I even talked to Congressman Busita. Hindi pwede dalawa ang nagsasabi ng totoo dito with conflicting statements by General Mariano and Adrian Satis. Hindi pwede dalawa yung totoo. Hindi rin pwede dalawa ang nagsisinungaling. Isa lang po ang nagsisinungaling dito. And personally, sabi ko nga, my judgment, based on all the facts being presented, and that includes the video, when RD investigated, like Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, malinaw po that General Mariano is lying. That was the first issue in his motion for reconsideration. And before I proceed to the second point that being raised in that MR, ako mismo sinabi ko, all those in the practice and then under the rules of the House, all those cited in contempt in any committee hearing, in any committees in the House, you have all the right to file a motion for reconsideration. But reading the motion for reconsideration, sabi ko nga, General Mariano during the time is lying. Number two, parang he lectured the motion for reconsideration that was filed by General Mariano, hindi ko alam kung siya mismong gumawa o his lawyer. He lectured the members of this committee. I've been in Congress for the past 11 years. I've been in the Rules Committee for the past several years also. I was the minority floor leader. I cited in contempt several resource speakers in this House. I know the rules. The committee knows the rules. He, in his motion for reconsideration, he cited the quorum. And for the record, to refresh all the members, or to refresh all the members and all the resource persons present during the last hearing, the chairman suspended the hearing. Why? Because we need the quorum, the time, and we need at least two-thirds of the members present, there being a quorum. And we have 9 members during the time. That's the second point. We have a quorum, the time. And questioning about the quorum, General Mariano, sorry to say, we know the rules and we have the quorum, the time. Physically present. We have 9 members present during the time. Thirdly, question of ano ba yun? Sorry, I forgot.
Ata.
So
Well,
established
uh,
that General Mariano is lying, there is a quorum that was suspended. Sabi ko nga, isa lang yung nagsasabi ng totoo, and in that case, RD is saying the truth.
Okay, kasi para habang hinahanap po ni Congressman Paduano yun, it's written in our rules, no, under Section 11 that we have a quorum that time. That's the reason why really we suspended it, and for us to have a two-thirds of the members. And when I read the motion for reconsideration, parang medyo imbis na actually malambot na nga yung aming mga damdamin dito. But what we wanted is well, ako lang daw. But what we wanted sana is to really to have a resolution for this hearing. But of course, the body will decide on that. But personally, what I wanted sana is to have a resolution maybe approved by the body next week. But unfortunately, having read this this motion for reconsideration and accusing us of have not followed the rules of this committee, medyo na-offend ako doon. And maybe you have to really consult with your lawyer. Baka mamaya yung lawyer hindi kayo pinoproteksyonan, General Mariano and Colonel Cabradilla. And I think I'll be giving the chance to Congressman Paduano to continue his line of manifestation. Sige, go ahead.
And lastly, Mr. Chairman, the argument being raised by the motion, reading the motion for reconsideration of General Mariano, ang sabi po dyan is, wala ng quorum, during votation daw, hindi raw binilang. Again, sorry to say, General Mariano, there is a motion for contempt, there is a quorum, and nobody object. Nobody object. Because under our rules, we need at least two-thirds of all the members present, there being a quorum. Even during the time, even 1 or 2 members objected that motion still carried because we only need two-thirds. And that's on record. Even one of our members, which on the side during the break, I talked to him, and sabi ko nga, isa lang dito, isa rin yung tama. Sabi ng totoo. Well, in fact, never objected that motion of Congressman Tolpo. And even at the very least, he never abstained. That is a unanimous decision for the committee to cite in contempt General Mariano during that hearing. So in short, Mr. Chairman, all the arguments being raised by General Mariano based on our rules are baseless. There is no basis for me personally to move or to support any motion to lift the contempt and detention order for General Mariano. For me, the motion of contempt and the detention for 30 days stays. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Tama si Chairman. Ako nga, sabi ko kanina, yun the break, sabi ko, if anybody will move to lift the motion, to lift the contempt and the detention, ako wala akong problema. Kasi patapos na rin tong hearing na to.
Yeah.
But of course, reading that motion for reconsideration is an insult to the members of this committee and to the House of Representatives. Parang nilecture pa kami dito.
And-
Ngayon, napakalinaw po. You're lying. General Mariano is lying. We have two-thirds. of all the members present unanimously voting to contempt and to detain. We never violated our internal rules because we know our rules. Thank
As a
you, Mr.
matter of
Chairman.
fact, Congressman Paduano, no? You're done, no? You're done, no? Hindi rin po nakasulat sa House rules that we have to take cognizance of your motion for reconsideration. Never, or none in the House rule that is written that we have to take action on your motion for reconsideration. There's no such thing. The reason why we are tackling this issue because we are in the brink of trying to have a resolution on this House Resolution number 4171. Am I correct?
Chairman,
Wala po sa we're about to be done with this resolution, but unfortunately we have received this letter coming from you. So
Chairman,
again,
last
sige,
point lang.
Congressman Paduano. Please.
Ganito lang yun po. The chairman is correct. There is no such provision in the rules that a motion for reconsideration will be considered by this committee. We are forced to reconsider that motion for reconsideration. But of course, that is now the tradition in the House. For the past several years, for the past several decades, that is the tradition of the House. Giving due process, due consideration to those persons cited in contempt. Kaya, lenient pa kami doon eh. Well, in fact, for the record, in my committee in public accounts, kami ni Chairman Akop, may mga nag-motion for reconsideration and we consider it. But they never questioned our rules. They never questioned about the ruling of the chairman and the committee members. It's all about humanitarian consideration, medical consideration. But questioning our rules, sabi ko nga,
Yeah.
may problema kayo sa amin.
Okay, I think General Mariano wanted to raise his hand. We will give him a chance to answer back. Please, General Mariano.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, my apology for submitting haphazard my MR because I haven't read yet more yung aking MR. It was prepared by my lawyer,
Sino po ba lawyer niyo, General Mariano?
si Attorney Ann Pascual po. Kanina lang po niya kasi po napadala. Gusto ko lang pong maparating kaagad. Hindi ko po masyadong ano. And it's my fault, Your Honors, that it was submitted na hindi ko man lang siya nabasa because we don't have time dun sa mag-communicate sa ating mga lawyers kasi wala po kaming dalaw po. Yung limited time na use of cellphone po, hindi rin po namin magamit sa kanila.
Pero meron po kayo, inaalaw po kayo ng dalaw. Meron
Ah,
lamang pong oras at ang paggamit po ng cellphone ay inaalaw din po.
1
Pero
hour
may
po.
oras din po.
Opo, pero
Yes.
kanina lang po kasi na-submit yun, Your Honor. Kaya
Because this is the policy of this Congress, not giving all the leeway, no? By
Opo.
using the cellphone and yung
I
sa
understand.
dalaw po may oras din po. As a matter of fact, ay alam naman po natin nangyari, di ba? Supposedly dapat hindi nakakapasok yung mga barel na naipasok ni Sergeant Desden, no? So we are also trying to secure the premises of this house, no? To prevent such incident to happen again. So ang pumirma doon, eto andito. So are you going to be are you going to say something, Congressman Akop?
Chairman,
If not,
just
sige, Congressman Paduano.
just to react to the manifestation of General. Ako po, General, your apologies is accepted personally. Pero again, sabi ko na nga, you seek the guidance of your lawyer. Alam mo, ang daming nakukulong dito sa House because of contempt na nakukulong dahil dun sa mga lawyers. Well, in fact, sa totoo lang, in my committee, nag-file pa ng MR sa Supreme Court. O ngayon, sinoko sila ng Supreme Court. Why they should not be cited in contempt by the Supreme Court? Kaya, ako as an advice to each and everyone, hindi pa lang naman to, may mga susunod pa ng mga hearing kayo, sana naman po, pag-isip-isipan natin, sa talagang pag-aralan natin. That's your right to seek the legal advice of a lawyer, but still, because you are the one who signed it, may problema ka. But personally, I accept your apologies.
Since
Thank you, Chairman.
Congressman Paduano that the good general have apologized, no? We accept naman your apology. But unfortunately, yun na nga, this morning we have already decided sana to discuss yung resolution, no? For for the finality nung issue that was brought up by Congressman Acop. But now I have to ask again our members for this purpose. But since nangyari na yan and the apology was accepted, so maybe we will be discussing this furthermore. Okay? Sige, General Mariano, before we proceed to the next issue.
Yes, Mr. Chair, again, I would like to apologize to our honorable members of this committee. Wala po akong intensyon na i-disobey po ang this committee. Ang hiling ko lang po sana, Mr. Chair, yung na hindi po naisama po doon ng aking lawyer dahil nga po hindi na, siya na po ang gumawa po kasi ng Mr. Chair na para lang po sa aking pamilya na sadya pong nahihirapan sa sitwasyon, and I plead that I will be restored with my freedom and be allowed to go home with my family. Yun lang po yung hindi po nailagay doon, Mr. Chair, but I don't have the intention to disobey this honorable committee, Mr. Chair. And again, my apology, and it's my fault for not reading kagad po yung Mr. Chair.
Actually, ayoko na lang basahin na General Mariano kasi masyadong strong words yung ginamit ng lawyer mo. And ito naman kay Cabradilla,
Sorry po, Mr. Chair.
what we wanted as I read your medyo hindi naman siya ganun ka strong, but kasi ang sinasabi parang hindi kayo nagsinungaling eh. You did lie. Yun ang naging decision ng committee ito. And nakita naman natin sa hearing yun. And we don't want to be accused that we decided to cite you in contempt because we just wanted to put you in our custody. Wala atang sense yun na gusto lang namin kayo kulong. Hindi, because we have seen all the evidences that was presented not only by the PNP official, even those members that are part of your operation team. They have said almost 23 of them na nagsalita, and even yung inyong deponent na ginamit dito were here to recant yung kanilang mga testimony that you pushed them to be filed.